Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel Taufik Nur Hadi in this video Accounting Management. Okay, in this video we will discuss Six Sigma in Management Accounting course. Six Sigma is a method for improving business process that aims to find and reduce the cause of overage and errors, to increase the productivity, to meet customer need effectively, and to get a better return of investment in terms of production. The goal is to improve performance and minimize the potential for errors, with a few cases. Number 1. The structural projects methodology is known as TMAIS, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, and Control. Number 2. Project defines by leadership that treat directly to company finance. Number 3. There is a structure training hierarchy that matches the level of the width, yellow, orange, black material, air belt, and the master belt. Number 4. There is heavy emphasis on statistical analysis data to ensure problems are solved correctly. Number 5. Overall, focus tool that reduces variance, prevents problem, and avoid rise. Okay, to continue. Six Sigma was introduced by engineer Bill Smith while working at Motorola in 1986, then popularized by Jack Welch, CEO, at the General Electric in the early 1990. He made it a requirement that his leadership achieve Green Dot certification before they called performance, but Lean and Sigma become popularized. Around the same time nowadays, most companies, Williams and Six Sigma are complementary, so they use a Lean Six Sigma with make for it. So whatever that. Okay. In terms of Six Sigma, incompatibility for operate in an error, an error that is provided by consumer. Output quality is measured in DPOMs, or accuracy rate for a million opportunities. Implementation of PVMEO will allow a wider range of quality to be defined in the early stage of the production process until the final stage of the product's production process. Raising the product's distribution process among consumers is a control system that is carried out to control product's quality. Okay everyone, to continue. Six Sigma methodology requires an approach with the mind stage. The way is a data-driven method. The purpose of this is to develop existing products or service in order to increase the customer satisfaction. In general, the mix is used by product manufacturing companies or shipping or logistics server companies. As the name implies, the mix consists of 5 main processes. Normally, define the problems, goal, and process. At this stage, you have to set the goal of the Six Sigma improvement activities. At this stage, you will select the problems, and as will the reference along with a cost, benefits, and impact on the customer. To continue, the measure assess problems. Your sticks performs and evaluates the measurement system. So it can be sized that at this stage there will be data collection, which will later used to measure the characteristics and capabilities of the process to determine what steps must be taken to make improvements and further improvements. So, analyze the effectiveness of the process in order to achieve a goal. So you are required to find a solution to solve the problems based on the root cause that has been identified. They continue. Improves. Identify ways to improve or develop a process. Here you are required to be creative in finding new ways to do things better, sharper, or faster. So it continue control an effort to measure implementation for firms at a various stage of the various strategy. So based on the full explanation above, we can conclude that Six Sigma is one way to focus on improving quality. There are several levels of position within Six Sigma. Normally, champions are sponsored, top management, master black belt, green belt, team members, and yellow with an order Six Sigma belt. In implementing Six Sigma, there are two methods that can be chosen, normally termites and DMADV, each of which are intended according to the type of a company industry. There are 8 techniques to implement it, normally brainstorming, root cause analysis, customer voice, 5R system, Kaizen, benchmarking, focus group, and value tree mapping. However, apart from the advantages and disadvantages that exist in Six Sigma, basically, this method was created so that companies can get a lot of profit or profits. Thank you so much for information. See you next time.